Sex is safe in pregnancy. I, Dr. Anita Chaudhary, will tell you how to have sex. Hi mommy, congratulations. You're already pregnant, so you obviously know how to have sex. But you still have lots of doubts about sex in pregnancy. Is sex just about penetrative sex? It is sex or making love. Love, it is the bond. And we are from the land of Kama Sutra. Today we will see the risks of sex in pregnancy and the advantages of sex in pregnancy. So first, the advantages. Sex is a method of expressing, connecting with your breath, with your husband's breath, the libido, the love and kindness and the bond that you share. So when not to have sex? So sex is very, very natural. But if your doctor has said no to sex, you have to follow that. So please take your doctor's advice very seriously. If you've had previous miscarriages, you need to avoid sex. The other conditions are if you've had a premature delivery in your previous pregnancy, if you're carrying twins, if you have a very short cervix and the mouth of the cervix, the mouth of the uterus, the cervix has been stitched, it is called cerclage. And if your placenta is low placed, it is called placenta previa. If you have had any bleeding or spotting in this pregnancy, if you have any leaking, you have to avoid sex at all costs. Then if you have lots of nausea and vomiting in the first few months, you are so tired, you are fatigued, that way you are not interested in having sex, your libido comes down, so that is also very natural. If you want to have sex, it is your choice, but do it safely and comfortably. It is nature. Not having sex, you are going against nature. But how to go about it, that we will see a little further. So what are the risks trimester wise? In the first trimester and the last trimester, it is a little risky. But if you do it with safety, it can be very nice. Second trimester is your honeymoon period. That is the time when you can enjoy sex without any tension. First trimester, there are chances of miscarriages. That is why we say you must avoid. And then last trimester, the head of the baby descends in the pelvis. There could be leaking. There could be discharge from the vagina. Because of that, we ask you not to have sex. But how to go about it? Remember to follow your doctor's advice. No penetrative sex if you've been advised not to. And the semen contains prostaglandins. These prostaglandins can induce uterine contractions, and even your orgasm can cause uterine contractions. But it is not proven whether they are harmful for the baby or harmful for you. So you have to do it gently, very slowly, and with lots of compassion. The positions are important. There are 3 comfortable positions. Do not go in the missionary position because your uterus is very heavy. It is impacting the blood vessels, so the blood flow is not good to the uterus. You can go on the side. Sideways tilting, you can have sex. You can go on your fours like cat camel stretch. You can do it in that, or you can be on the top, the woman on top position. So these 3 positions are considered very, very safe. So remember, enjoy with precautions and be very gentle. Thank you and namaste.